Tell me. Learn off from my mistakes. If me never try again, then I did fail. Me learn off from my mistakes. If me never try again, then I did fail. Yeah. Me learn off from my mistakes. If me never try again, then I did fail. What a lucky thing. So me skip jail, skip grave, see them my life it change. No man I make big money, big weight. Investment, I never big chain. Me living at the airport, I switch plane. Or I sleep in a tour bus switch state. Oh, me fi afraid heights, me not fall. Me know hungry, me I come from far. One leap a dance, so me give the father. What a rush, so me bust it in the water. Dog, where you know about white squad? Water bread and a cup of pipe water. Me youth a feel a fish and him small. JiggyD and be yourself in. I'm from the boardhouse and sing fence. Me want rich like Bill Gates. Life sweet like a kiss cake. Pretty girls I say them love on me. Taste go up mouth and hold up. Who no lip shame. When me look pa my past, what a disgrace. The memories in my heart live with pain. Them I want to see get a youth drive Benz, buy Benz and it drive them insane. Slow progress better than no progress. You don't know about struggle where you know about then. Me know about poverty, me grow around there. I believe me use and drop a 4-door Benz. Been in the street from a 4+10. One leap of fake gal enough bogus friend. Watch them from far with the focus lens. So the chorus say oh, me fi afraid heights, me not fall. Me know hungry, me I come from far. One leap of dance, so me give the father. What a rush, so me bust it in the water. Dog, where you know about white squad? Water bread and a cup of pipe water. Me youth a feel a fish and him small. JiggyD and be yourself in 5 daughter. I feel a wish and him small. Me learn off from my mistakes. If me never try again, then me did fail. JiggyD. Me learn off from my mistakes. If me never try again, then me did fail. Everything going, I'm telling you, get to you, you know, enough believing in me, just believing in myself, is me. Believing however.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Jahshii, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Rebellion, you know. I mean, I say I want you epic, you know. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.